Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the Tesla Cybertruck, a vehicle that's not just a truck but a bold statement about the future of automotive design and electric vehicles. From its striking exterior to its cutting-edge interior, impressive performance, and pricing, we'll cover every detail you need to know about this revolutionary vehicle. So buckle up as we explore the Tesla Cybertruck in full detail. Let's kick things off with the exterior design. The Cybertruck's look is truly polarizing. It breaks away from conventional truck aesthetics with its sharp lines and geometric shapes. Made from ultra-hard 30X cold-rolled stainless steel, the exterior is not only rugged but also designed to withstand dents, damage, and corrosion. The unique unpainted metal finish gives it a raw, industrial vibe, contributing to its standout presence on the road. One of the most talked about features is the vehicle's armored glass. Tesla showcased this during the launch event, where the glass withstood impacts from metal balls, albeit with some surprising results. This level of durability is appealing, especially for outdoor enthusiasts or those who frequently find themselves in rugged conditions. The Cybertruck is designed to be functional, offering a bed that's longer and wider than most competitors, allowing for significant cargo capacity. Moving on to the dimensions, the Cybertruck is larger than traditional pickups. It measures about 231.7 inches long, 79.8 inches wide, and 75 inches high, providing a commanding presence. The truck's high ground clearance enhances off-road capability, making it an excellent choice for adventure seekers. Now, let's transition to the interior. Tesla has always emphasized a minimalist design ethos, and the Cybertruck is no exception. The dashboard features a large 17-inch touchscreen that serves as the central hub for all controls, from navigation to climate settings. Well, this design choice simplifies the driving experience but may take some getting used to for those accustomed to more traditional layouts. The seating arrangement is designed to accommodate up to 6 passengers comfortably. The front seats provide excellent visibility and support, while the rear bench seat offers ample legroom. The materials used are sustainable, aligning with Tesla's commitment to eco-friendliness. The interior is spacious thanks in part to the lack of a traditional engine compartment, which allows for a more open cabin feel. One notable feature is the panoramic glass roof, which not only enhances the feeling of space but also provides a stunning view of the surroundings. It's perfect for stargazing on those night drives or simply enjoying the outdoors during the day. When it comes to technology, the Cybertruck is packed with advanced features. Tesla's autopilot system is included, providing semi-autonomous driving capabilities that make highway driving a breeze. The software is continuously updated over the air, ensuring that you'll always have the latest features and improvements. Additional tech offerings include a premium audio system, customizable ambient lighting, and extensive connectivity options. Now let's delve into performance. The Cybertruck is offered in several configurations: single motor, dual motor, and tri-motor. The base model delivers a respectable 0 to 60 mph time of around 6.5 seconds, but the tri-motor version is where things get truly exciting. With an astonishing 0 to 60 mph time of under 2.9 seconds, it rivals many sports cars. This level of acceleration is particularly impressive for a truck, showcasing Tesla's innovative engineering. The estimated range varies depending on the configuration. The single motor version has a range of about 250 miles, the dual motor reaches approximately 300 miles, and the tri-motor boasts an incredible range of over 500 miles on a full charge. This makes the Cybertruck suitable for both daily commutes and long-distance road trips. Towing capacity is another highlight. The Cybertruck can tow up to 14,000 pounds, making it an excellent choice for those who need a workhorse for hauling trailers, boats, or heavy equipment. It also features a payload capacity of over 3,500 pounds, which is impressive for a vehicle in this category. Let's talk about charging. Tesla's supercharger network continues to grow, making it easier for Cybertruck owners to charge on long journeys. The truck is equipped with fast charging capabilities, allowing for a significant range boost in a short amount of time. Additionally, the Cybertruck can be charged at home with a standard outlet or a Tesla wall connector for overnight charging. Now, on to pricing. The Cybertruck's base model starts at around $39,900, which is competitive in the electric vehicle market, especially considering its capabilities. The dual motor model is priced starting at around $49,900, while the tri-motor version commands a premium starting price of around $69,900. With these pricing tiers, the Cybertruck aims to cater to a wide range of customers, from everyday users to those seeking a high-performance electric truck. However, it's important to note that the Cybertruck's unique design and features may not appeal to everyone. Traditional truck buyers might prefer the familiar aesthetics and practicality of more conventional models. That said, for those looking to embrace the future of driving, the Cybertruck offers an innovative alternative that combines utility with cutting-edge technology. In terms of availability, Tesla has faced some delays in production, but they are ramping up efforts to deliver the Cybertruck to eager customers, Pre-orders have been strong, indicating that there's significant interest in this bold new vehicle. In summary, the Tesla Cybertruck is a groundbreaking vehicle that challenges the norms of truck design and functionality. Its unique exterior, spacious and tech-forward interior, impressive performance specifications, and competitive pricing make it a noteworthy contender in the electric vehicle market. Whether you're a die-hard Tesla fan or simply curious about what the future of trucks looks like, the Cybertruck is worth considering. Thank you for joining us for this detailed review of the Tesla Cybertruck. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming content. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the Cybertruck. Do you love the design, or do you think it's too radical? Let us know in the comments below.